later. All right, good evening everyone. So in this session we learn about the breakout rooms. Thank you so much all the teachers for joining in, because we need number of teachers or number of volunteers here so that we can explain it to everyone how may we go ahead and use breakout rooms and how does it look like for us. So here is our team's looks. Okay, and when I click on this, the first, second, third and the fourth option here, the moment I hover the cursor, it shows breakout rooms. The moment I click on this, the first question, it asks me how many rooms I need. So for this instance, I am dividing 3 rooms. So we will have 3 rooms differently so that we can conduct a collaborative discussion on any specific topic or so. Similarly, that we do for the children, as in our physical classroom we do, this is also available in the virtual classroom. Now, here it is telling me assign 6 people into 3 different rooms. There are 2 different types how I can divide people amongst the breakout rooms. One is automatically it can be done. I just need to click on create rooms and it will be done. However, if I want to divide manually, as in if you know that roll number
Sharda ma'am, your voice is not audible.
am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am, it's
Yes, ma'am.
cracking. It's cracking, ma'am.
Okay, that's the problem with this laptop, I think. Chalo, then
Now
later
it's
I'll do the
okay, ma'am.
recording, but I can tell you people now. Now it's
It's
okay.
okay,
That's
ma'am.
very
Now,
good.
yes.
So let me see. Okay, that's wonderful. Thank you so much. So we can either divide it manually or we can divide it automatically as well. Automatically means the system itself picks up some logic it has got and it will pick up few people and it will divide into two. It is already option assign 6 people into 3 different rooms. We can do that. If we want to do it manually, we need to click on the manual option and we can select people as well. So here it is creating the rooms. It will just take few seconds. So in this way, we can help students be in different rooms. We can visit different rooms what children are discussing. And later, once we want them to be back in our own classroom, we can do that also. So we do the breakout rooms or we use this option after we have logged into our class. Suppose your class is at 10 a.m. You log in and then you can use the breakout rooms feature. All right. So it is asking me assign participants and it is asking me add room. So I have room number 1. I can amend the name also here. By clicking on this, I can amend the name of the room. When I right click, it is asking me rename room. So I can say it as, maybe I can give it some colors name, anything which fascinates your children. So I have given it blue name. I have given the name as blue room. Similarly, we go to the next one and we rename it as maybe green room. And the third and the last one is going to be a yellow. And later, once the discussion is done, we would also have all the things recorded in our chat here. So before you start the breakout rooms, make sure that you start the recording of your session. So once this is done, there will be 3 rooms and we will divide people among these 3 rooms. I need to click on the assign participants. I hope the screen is visible and I'll try my best to make my voice with lots of clarity. If not, definitely we are going to ask questions there. So I'm just dividing maybe grade 1 teachers in one place and grade 2 teachers in one place. So I just selected 2 and I clicked on assign. Which room should I assign? Green room I'll assign. Then I go to grade 1 teachers here and I need to click on assign. Right hand side a purple button pops up. I give them blue room. Then I go to the grade 3 teachers and I click on assign and I assign yellow room. So now see these 3 rooms are there. It is asking me, do I need to add any more rooms? Yes or no? I do not. So I go to the next option. The moment I click on start rooms, everyone goes to their own rooms. Okay. need you all to maybe switch on your cameras for a few moments. We can see each other and then we go back to our rooms, please. Teachers, I'm waiting. Thank you, Hina ma'am. Come on, everyone. Thank you, Indu ma'am. Okay, so now we all can see each other and we can see, thank you, Pratishta ma'am, that we all are in one room. Hello, Arshia, how are you? Okay. Thank you, Gurpreet ma'am. Thank you. Come on, Kanika ma'am, Aman ma'am, quickly. We are going to the breakout rooms. All right. I need to click on this start rooms option. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. Let's see the magic. Taking some time. The abracadabra is working slowly. Come on. Okay, see what's happening here. It shows leaving. Everyone is being divided in their own rooms. So 2 rooms have been opened. Blue room, yellow room is open. You can discuss amongst yourself. So here I am going to make an announcement. You can see in your chats as well. Hello all. Please discuss about your revision test schedule. And I send it. You can these in your chat that all these are visible to you. Okay. So I see Pratishtha in the meeting. That's good. Wonderful. All participants are assigned. Okay. So now I need to click back. So now I am back to my own room. This was one of the rooms that I visited. Let me go to the yellow room. I click on the 3 ellipse button. It is asking me join room. Yes, I want to join that room. And the moment I want to close all the rooms, I want all the teachers here, I need to click on the option close rooms. Then you can see the rooms are being closed slowly, and all the teachers are joining back. Okay, so now all the teachers are back to our own room. So teachers, how was it? Did you go to your breakout rooms and did you find it convenient to discuss amongst a smaller group? Any topic that we have to?
Yes, ma'am, it's very good. But ma'am,
Okay, that's
one
give
thing
me
I
a
want to say here.
quick second. I will just close this one and we go ahead. We just finish this off and then we take the doubts as well. Okay, so this is how I proceed with the room. All the rooms are showing here closed now, and I want all the children back in my room here. So they are here are the children. So the rooms would give them options of sharing the screen, discussing amongst themselves, and so on and so forth. Different options. All right. So this is all about breakout rooms. I hope you all are going to use it in your classrooms and children are going to enjoy it.